When we had the opportunity to visit our daughter and her family on a small island in Greece, we made sure to spend some time with just the two of us. It was an opportunity for us to get away from our RV and relax for a while.
I'm Nancy.
I'm Steve.
And we are living our dream.
To travel the U.S., Canada, and beyond, and living the lessons taught to us by our pets.
Keep smiling.
And be kind.
Living full-time in an RV isn't always relaxing. Not only are there the day-to-day chores, but there's also the maintenance needed for an RV, as well as planning and traveling to the next destination. So this trip to the island of Syros was just what we needed. The perfect place to relax and enjoy ourselves.
I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Our hotel had a great view of the water, and we spent quite a lot of time just sitting out on the balcony watching the waterfront. But we also spent several days just walking the streets where locals lived. Most were empty, and we loved looking at all the walkways, the architecture, and especially the old buildings with their doors and windows, aged by time.
Steel beams inside the rocks.
While the most popular Greek islands can be overcrowded, the island of Syros had a nice blend of things for tourists, but an overwhelming feeling that most folks walking around were locals.
Just taking a walk around this side of town where there's not a lot of shops. And I've often wondered where everybody parks. Looks like they park on the side of the street wherever they can. Church bells ringing in the background. Just walking around is enjoyable in this town. So we have this small little kitchenette, and we're able to use it, make breakfast. You know, we can do toast, just boiled some eggs this morning, and of course, can make coffee, but it's pour over coffee. Not bad though. This is our pantry. Silverware. Plates and pots. And a fridge.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms.
So we're walking out to the pier on the harbor. And as you look up here, that's Syros right there. And here comes the Sea Jet. Just cut the engines. Sea Jet is probably twice as fast as the ferry itself, the regular Blue Star ferry. They just have a lighthouse out here. Champion Jet. That's what we took. That's interesting. Those are all, looks like a bunch of jacks molded. This gives you a good view of Thermopylae. Comes in, makes the turn. I'll plop down the anchor. No, Sea Jets don't put the anchor down very often because they don't stay long enough.
Closer to the port, the town got more crowded with people and shops, and tourists bringing their yachts into the harbor.
It's interesting to watch how much this one motor yacht is bobbing up and down, and the big one doesn't quite move as much. That's how you do Mediterranean mooring. Put your anchor out front, tie up in the back. Sometimes I just like sitting in the harbor, watching people and watching the boats. They've got all types of boats that come into the Thermopylae harbor. You've got monohulls and catamarans. You've got three-masted sailing ships. You've got big yachts, smaller yachts. Probably the biggest yacht I've ever seen. I understand it's owned by the Ritz-Carlton. Can have 180 people on board. Sometimes they rent it out like a cruise ship as a public ship. Sometimes you can rent it out privately. Probably like $1 million a week. Have a big party on that boat.
The views from our balcony in the evening were beautiful, so we decided to take an evening walk about town. This evening stroll was one of the most relaxing times we had on the island.
I love how the street goes up here. So the square's off to our left, right? Oh, wow.
This is where I'm here.
Oh, is it? Ah, okay.
Okay.
There's a whole lot of shops here.
Okay. We have a choice.
Okay.
We can go this way, go out to the water,
Yep.
come back up that
Back
way,
up.
or we can go this way, which will take us just straight up to the hotel.
I don't know.
Let's go this way.
Okay. Thank you
What?
for taking the long way. just
Hun, you know I'm feeling better.
yeah, I mean, this is actually nice because it's not hot. Oh no, it's kind of a punk.
Okay. Like those?
Not sure.
The evil eye.
Oh yeah. You sure it's called the Evil Eye?
Yes.
The streets in the evening were pretty empty until we started to approach the waterfront.
Ah, there's water.
You took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
That's the one they let Cam drive? Oh, here comes. Is this a Blue Star? You need a small car to be able to park on these streets. And the church at the top of the hill. St. Nicholas at night. We're out there somewhere. It's a hotel. Well, it's our last day in the town of Thermopylae on the island of Syros. Nancy's off visiting some of Austin's friends, saying her goodbyes, getting ready to pack up. And today, probably the windiest day we've had for 2 weeks. There's really a lot of chop out there, and the waves are as big as they've ever been. Though we only had 10 days in this quaint Greek island of Syros, it was a great time of rest and relaxation for us. But it was also time to pack up and head back to the pubs and RV life. Hope you enjoyed this short travelogue of our getaway from RV life, and if you like, please subscribe and like the video. As always, keep smiling and be kind. Safe travels, everyone.